Hello everyone, MSRNDA 2007 here, and today is Wednesday, August 25th, 2021 at 6:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time. And this will be the 7 p.m. required weekly test on WXK85.
The Occupational Safety and Health Administration recommends scheduling frequent rest breaks.
I don't know why that won't work.
Anyone overcome by heat should be moved to a cool and shaded location. Heat stroke is an emergency. Call 911. From the Norman Forecast Office, here is the forecast for Oklahoma City and surrounding area. Rest of tonight, clear. Lows in the lower 70s. South winds around 10 miles an hour until midnight, becoming light and variable. Thursday, sunny. Highs in the upper 90s. South winds around 10 miles an hour. Thursday night, clear. Lows in the lower 70s. South winds around 10 miles an hour. Friday, sunny. Highs in the mid-90s.
Oh yeah, ignore the crack here.
15 miles an hour. Friday night, clear. Lows in the lower 70s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Saturday, sunny. Highs in the mid-90s. Saturday night, clear. Lows in the lower 70s. Sunday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-90s. Sunday night, mostly clear with a 20% chance of thunderstorms. Lows around 70. Monday, partly cloudy. Highs in the lower 90s. Monday night, mostly clear. Lows around 70. Tuesday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 90s. Tuesday night, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 60s. Wednesday, mostly sunny with a 20% chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the lower 90s. This is your weather radio station WXK85 in Oklahoma City, operating on a frequency of 162.40 megahertz. Programming originates from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Norman, Oklahoma. You are listening to Oklahoma City Weather Radio, and here are 6 p.m. weather observations. In Oklahoma City, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 95 degrees, with dew point 65, and the relative humidity for... Central Daylight Time, and the sunrise in the morning occurs at 6:58 a.m. Central Daylight Time.
Okay.
The Oklahoma City climate summary is of 6 p.m., August 25th, 2021. So far today, the high temperature has been 97 degrees.
Okay, I suppose I need to turn this to voice. I do apologize for this, not... And hold on one second. Sorry about that, my grandfather called me, so I had to answer that real quick. Anyways, so let's see what radios went off and which ones didn't. 12519 went off, ER50 went off, CKW2000 went off, and also you may notice I did get the alert level label back in place, so now it says statement. Instead of it being right here, it's glued back into where it should be, so you can actually see what the alert is, or what the immediate action is. So statement, watch, warning. So yeah. Both WR300s went off, WR120 went off. These two were on display due to some severe weather that came through over the weekend. I put all my radios on display so that I wouldn't get woken up. Okay, so quick little interruption here. That was the reason why the WR400 was also on display, was due to the severe weather that occurred during the weekend. And I just forgot to put the WR400 and both of the WR100s back on voice after the severe weather event was over. So yeah, I do apologize for that. And with that being said, here we go with the rest of the video. Go and turn back on, although there isn't really any severe weather expected until early next week. So, yeah, this one off. For once, y'all were able to actually hear this go off. 12-247A went off properly. And WR400 went off, but it was on display. So, everything that was set up to go off went off. So, I'd say that's pretty good. That's a good deal. Because normally the newer version 5 fails, but ever since I moved it over towards the middle, when I had to make room for the CKW2000, it's been getting everything like it's supposed to. So, yeah. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and have a nice day.